Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, today I'm back with a different type of video. Today is a garage tour. I get a lot of requests asking to show my garage, so okay, why not? Nothing spectacular, ordinary stuff in here, nothing custom or anything like that. It's just regular items in here, but I get asked a lot, so I'll go ahead and show you. Since I'm standing here, I'll go ahead and start with these cabinets. These are NewAge bold cabinets. The width of these is 216 inches from left to right. I have an ordinary size garage here. I believe it's 20 by 20, but I do have a 6'8" space cut out over there that I'll show when I get behind the camera. Yeah, I bought these 4 years ago, did a video on these. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to watch that video. But yeah, I think the price for these now are around $3,000 or something like that. And yeah, I have some storage stuff here made by Dewalt. I like because when I go work on something, I can also take these off the wall, go to wherever I'm working, and have all of my items in there. Not to mention, as you can tell, I'm an organized type of person. I like keeping things organized, so when I need a bolt or a screw or electrical nut, it's just right here. I don't have to go digging for it, but I'll come in closer so you could see. I also get asked, what about my electrical panels with my cabinets here? Now, my cabinets are installed on two 2x4s, just the uppers here. So it gives me about 8 inches behind the cabinets. And the doors for my electrical panels, I actually took them off the hinges and replaced those hinges with magnets all the way around. So anytime I need to get to the panels, I just take the panel door off and then pop it back on, and it sticks with magnets. So that's how that works. These totes right here, I bought from Home Depot. They're made by Husky, and I just liked the way they looked because it matched the garage. I have the floor epoxied with gray, white, and like a chrome flake. And with the walls painted gray, everything kind of matched. I just liked the way it looked. But anyways, I'll get behind the camera, walk around the garage so you could see. All right. Okay, starting on this side of the garage, I have mini Teslas for my nieces and nephews, and then our e-toys over there. And this is that extra space I was telling you about that I have here. And then I have these signs here for my nieces and nephews because that's where they park. I have a TV on the wall there, have a bike hanging right there. And yeah, this is that extra space. So the walls are gray. I'll put the name of the color on the screen so you can see. I'll look it up after I'm done recording. Then I have white there. So everything in the garage is like gray, white, black, pretty much, except for my Dewalt stuff. But yeah, I used to have workout equipment here. That's why the TV is there, but we since moved everything into a room, made a little home gym out of one of the extra rooms. And this is what I have here. So yeah, my wife's wall connector is there. And then I put a red faceplate on it for her, and that's where her cord hangs. Yeah, then I have ladders. Those are my ladders there. Yeah, I'd like to be organized, so all the ladders and stuff go there. Just hang on the wall, no big deal. It's a paper towel dispenser. That's the door leading to the inside of my house. Garage door opener, smart light switches there. These totes bought from Home Depot. Yeah, like I said, Husky. And I just liked the way that they looked. I didn't pick Husky for any other reason than that. They look durable, and I like that it matched with the rest of the garage. This is my shop stool. When I'm doing stuff in here, I'll sit on that stool. I did change the wheels on the stool to these rubber ones. I'll leave a link in the description, and they are way better than any plastic wheel that comes on any chair or stool at all. You pop them on, no big deal, and you're done. We absolutely love them. And then, yeah, here are the little storage thing. Oh, I have some more light. Not like I need it, but yeah, these are these little storage things I got as a Christmas gift from my wife. And she knows I like to stay organized. So whenever I need something, it's nice just being able to grab it from here versus going to dig for it in my cabinets or drawers or something. I keep a Amazon Home Assistant there because I use it all the time. And this is a yeah, love Nomad. So when I charge my phone when I'm in the garage, I just put it on there and yeah, charge it while I'm in the garage. Okay, cabinets. It's a vinyl Tesla sign that I got from a buddy of mine as a gift when I got my car. It was very nice of him. And then, yeah, that, and then my Dewalt tool chest. This was a gift from my wife. Yeah, because she knows I like staying organized. I've had people ask me, like, why do I have it labeled? Like, if it's my tools, like, why are they labeled there with the label maker? It's not for me, it's for my wife. So if I'm in the attic or I'm doing something and I'm in a compromising position and I say, hey, can you get me the hammer or can you get me a screwdriver? She will know exactly where to go because it is labeled. I could just say, give me a Phillips screwdriver, and I don't have to explain where. She'll just know where. Yeah, so here's my Tesla wall connector. This is, I park on this side of the garage, and that is my sign. And yeah, I plug in there and it's no big deal. That is the one that was a referral program prize for, you know, referring however many people to buy a Tesla. And then yeah, that one's signed by Elon. Pretty cool. Tankless water heater. Oh, this is my retro refrigerator. Pretty cool. The only thing, we just keep drinks in here. That's it. The Amazon delivery drivers, they know to come in here and grab a Gatorade, soda, water, whatever they want. Usually I have the same, like, 1 or 2 people, and they deliver packages in my garage. And yeah, I tell them to take whatever they want. If you have a smart garage door opener, you could sign up for that service with Amazon too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, there's my battery powered Dewalt lawnmower, tankless water heater. There's my Ratio smart sprinkler system. Love it, absolutely love it. And then yeah, there's a garage floor epoxied. It's a little dirty. Usually I mop it like once a month or something like that, but I haven't mopped it in a little while. And pretty much, you guys, that's it. That's the garage. Nothing too exciting, ordinary stuff. And yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, the lights in the ceiling. I did a video on that if you guys want to know about the Hexagon lights. Oh yeah, I have a red parking laser right there, and you can see it shining on the ground right there. I'll put my shoe there, see? Because I get asked all the time, sometimes in my videos, you could see the laser, and people will say, hey, what's that red laser? Like, is someone trying to shoot you? Is that a sniper? No, it's a red parking laser. So I have it aimed on a specific place on my wife's car and my car. So when I back up, I know where to stop. And when she's coming in, she knows where to stop. And we park perfect every single time. But anyways, that is the garage. No big deal. So now you guys have seen it. No more questions. And yeah, not bad. Then yeah, that little fly trap thingy. You know, when a fly does make it in the garage, they'll stick to that. But that's it. Yeah, even with the Hexagon lights, I still have that light and that light. If I ever move, I'm taking my Hexagon lights with me, and then the new owner can have those. But okay, so I brought the cars in really quick, and that is it. We're all done. Any questions or anything, let me know, guys. All right.